How's it going there, YouTube? It's your buddy Pete on the old Goldwing, and you're probably wondering yourself, what is this topic going to be about? If you follow my Instagram and my shorts on YouTube, then you probably know that I've only got one bike. Let's talk about it. Yeah, so recently I've been kind of downsizing. It's the first time in probably 7 years that I've only had one motorcycle in my garage. And just to get to the quick of it, no, I'm not selling my motorcycle, all of them. I'm not selling the Goldwing. The Goldwing's not going anywhere. Even if the 50th anniversary Goldwing is all that in a bag of chips. My 2018 is barely coming up on 30,000 miles on it. This thing's barely broke in. I have a friend that has just hit 300,000 miles on his 2001 Honda Goldwing with nary a problem. So the Goldwing's not going anywhere, but why did I get rid of the BMW? Well, it wasn't riding it, and that's what it comes down to for me is when I stop riding things and enjoying them, it's time to move them on. My CRF 300, it was the same thing. Right now, I just don't have time for riding off-road and doing stuff like that. I have a Jeep Gladiator, and that's another channel that I have. That's Neverland Adventure. And that's my Jeep channel. That's where I go off-roading, and it's more fun for me to off-road on that than on the motorcycle because I could take my wife with me. My Aunt Karen can come with me. You know, it's just more enjoyable for that. But I'm not getting rid of all the motorcycles. I know somebody's like, "Oh my gosh, this guy's selling all of his motorcycles." All my favorite YouTubers are quitting. You know, like I haven't seen a video from this guy in forever, or that guy in forever, or this girl in forever. We all get a little tired, you know. I mean, for most of us, this is a fun hobby to be able to do YouTube, ride your motorcycles, do YouTube and stuff like that. But it's not always it's not always what we're focused on. I mean, I'm a rider. That's my primary goal. Like when I ride, I'm more of like, especially when I go on trips, I'm a distance rider. I'm not so much of I do little trips like this, go to breakfast, stuff like that, ride around. I mean, we all do that, but I'm still at heart of a long distance tour, For me, motorcycle trips are, you get on the bike and you go somewhere. Some of the best motorcycle trips I've had are where I'm waking up in a different spot every single night or morning. Go to bed every single different night in a different spot and wake up in the same spot that I went to sleep in. You get what I'm saying? A little goofy sometimes. I can't always speak well. So, anyway, that's I love that. Like when I did my trip to Alaska, if you haven't seen that series, check it out on my Pan America. That was amazing to be able to just go. I saw so much of the country, was able to enjoy myself. It was stupendous, And I also like, hanging out at one spot and riding around an area as well. But I really enjoy just the going and miles and just seeing the country. Doesn't always have to be freeway, doesn't always have to be back roads. It can be a mixture of both, whatever you're going to do. But that's my idea. So I'm not getting rid of the Goldwing. It's not going anywhere. I can go anywhere on this bike that I want to go, and that's about it. So thanks for watching. I mean, I know this was kind of stupid, but I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm not quitting riding. I'm just slowed down a little bit because, we all have other things going on in life, and this isn't my end-all be-all of doing stuff. So with that, I bid you adieu. Ride safe, ride often, and as always, please like and subscribe. Bye.